Welcome. Let's make my favorite Instant Pot recipe, Instant Pot shredded chicken burrito bowls. This is probably the recipe that made me absolutely fall in love with my Instant Pot. Let's cut up some peppers. I used green and red. You can use whatever colors you like. I just love that they bring so much color to this dish. Then we're going to go ahead and cut up an onion. I like loading it up with those veggies for my kids. Now we're going to pour some chicken broth in the bottom of our pot, just enough to kind of cover it. Add in your chicken. I use chicken tenders. You can use chicken breasts. Get those into the bottom, and then we're going to add our taco seasoning on top. Then we're going to add in our rotel. We'll add in our corn, our drained black beans, those beautiful peppers, and our onions. And then we're going to add in some rice. You can reduce this down to 1 cup of rice. Some people find it a little bit too much rice. If you do reduce it to 1 cup of rice, you're going to reduce your broth to 1 1/4 cups. I've liked the full amount of rice. There's a lot of us in my family. Get that rice covered up by the broth. And then we're going to go ahead, cover up our Instant Pot, pressure cook it for 8 minutes. Once it's done, you're going to let it naturally release for 10 minutes. And then once you get your pot opened up, you just want to shred up that chicken that was at the bottom. Put it into your bowls, add your favorite toppings, and then enjoy. Your family is going to love this one. Happy cooking, everybody.